In this demo, we're going to upload to an SFTP server and check the data. So we'll get data from a SQL Server database and then upload that to SFTP server. So we will have a start node and an MSSQL data source, and then we'll have an SFTP sender, and then we'll we'll have a stop node. Okay, so let's connect these nodes. Let's put the connection properties for the SQL Server. So the SQL Server MSSQL source can pull data from SQL Server using stored procedures or select queries. So we'll put the connection string and we'll select from the customers database table. And then we'll upload it to SFTP server. So the SFTP server can send data, can connect, sorry, the SFTP sender can connect to an SFTP server using private key, and it can do PGP encryption as well. And yeah, so we'll set the folder. And you can have an optional remote command, which basically executes a remote command when the SFTP has successfully transferred the file. So let's save this and run it. So when you hit on play, it will be deployed to a dev server, and the dev server will run it and then give us a feedback of the operation. So it looks like it's successful. So we'll check for the file from the SFTP server. So that's the file transferred. We have the SFTP. So what we'll do is we'll send more files by introducing a timer in front of the SQL data source. So it will be uh, reoccurring, um, and that will basically generate more files. So let's set this to a period of 3 seconds. and then play that. Okay, so there's two now. Now there's three, there's four, and there's five. So it looks like the data transfer is happening very well. So now let's deploy this to the production server. So to deploy that, we'll just do a click on deploy, and let's pick a server. So let's let's check if that is already picked up by the server. So it's picked up by has been picked up by a server called ArcQueen. And now let's check for the logs and see if it's running. So it started, and it looks like it's successful. So it has done several file transfers, and it's running very well. So you can check the uh, the production run, and that is successful. So that's the end of the video.